Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Roy versus Food. This time I'm going to be taking on the Sprite and Banana Challenge again due to a request. This time I am going to attempt to eat 4 bananas and drink 6 cans of Sprite. Let's get this ball rolling. Just so you know, the easiest way to open a banana is from the bottom. A little tidbit. Alright, brand 2 is almost gone. Not doing bad. Three. I don't see this one ending well, but we'll give it a shot. I'd also like to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Three. Last banana. Unlike the last video, today I haven't eaten yet. So I was pretty hungry. No Taco Bell this time. You can only make eating bananas so entertaining. Bear with me. Stomach's getting a little full. 4 bananas in like 2 minutes is quite a bit. Wow. I'm trying, guys. Alright. First can. Here we go. See if this one goes down. Alright. Oh. Oh, they're already going down hard. Oh. Alright. 2. Oh. Oh. Wet one. Got it. We'll keep going. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you can hear that, but it ain't good. Oh yeah, stomach's not liking this. Oh, it's better. Just a bit. There we go. Two. Oh my goodness. Oh, here goes three. Oh, my stomach is really not liking this, guys. Holy. Oh. 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 Well, guys, 4 bananas, almost 3 cans. Apparently that's my limit. I really don't feel good. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Till the next one.